Hi, this is a guide on how to install the radial weapon wheel. Let's get started. So, first thing you want to do is get to your Counter-Strike Global Offensive directory. Well, it's CS2 technically, but it's still called CSGO. I'm going to go to Manage and Browse Local Files. So you just right-click on Counter-Strike 2, Manage Browse. Um, it and if you want to go there manually, you just go to your C. Well, it depends on which drive it is. C program files x86, then Steam apps, common, and then it will be in there. If it's on a drive that isn't this, it'll be in Steam library, Steam apps, common, and then Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Next, you want to go to um, CSGO, and then look in the folder until you find Radial Quick Inventory. It should look like this. This is the default config for the radial weapon wheel. You don't want to mess with this. You want to make a copy of this. And once you do, you want to customize it. So do anything you want to it. Make a rotational offset. Do whatever you want to it. And then once you've done that, copy everything over into the game CS:GO. So again, go back to the top Counter-Strike Global Offensive folder. Make another File Explorer tab. Okay. Go to Game. Go to CS:GO, and the files should look almost identical, like the folder layouts. And then copy your new Radial Quick Inventory, and then put it in here. And you should be good. Now that you're in game, do cl underscore quick inventory file name. And I've created a test one right here. And once I type this in, you will see that, oh, right. Sometimes you do have to restart your game for the radial weapon wheel to update. That is just sometimes that's how it works. But there you go. After you've restarted the match or you restart your game, you will see that it has updated. And I can set it back, and hopefully I don't have to restart my game / match this time. Nope, gotta restart. Go back, but that's besides the point. Basically, TLDR, make sure your radial weapon wheel file is in game CSGO. The reason why you have to move your files from CSGO to game CSGO is because game CSGO is Counter-Strike 2's game data, and CSGO is Counter-Strike Global Offensive game data. And you can figure this out by going to the maps folder. And see that game CSGO maps has less maps, and CSGO maps has more maps, and it also has danger zone maps. So, um, through that, we can also kind of figure out that when you get the black circle, I've been seeing that people in the Steam guide have been posting that they've just been getting this black circle. It's because that game CS:GO, when you type in CL file name, it's not actually finding the file name that you're trying to type in because it's pulling from a file that doesn't exist in here. It exists in here, but it doesn't exist in here. So remember, drag it over from here, put it in here, and then CS2 will be able to find it because it'll be able to read the file from inside of the folder. Okay, that should be about it. If you have any more questions, just leave a comment on the video and I'll try to get back to you. I'll also leave a link to the Steam guide. Should cover the making of your config a bit more in depth. If you leave a comment there, I'll also try to get back to you. Thanks for watching. I sorry I didn't make a video on this sooner, and bye.